What if we told you there's a book that delves into the heart of successful leadership? A book that not only explores the theory but also ways to put it into practice. That book is To Be Honest by Ron A. Carucci. This book peels back the layers of leadership, revealing the power of honesty, purpose, and accountability at its core. But it doesn't stop there. It goes a step further by offering practical strategies that help to cultivate successful, empathetic, and socially responsible corporate cultures. Imagine a world where leaders aren't just figureheads, but individuals who are dedicated to making a positive impact on their organizations and society as a whole. Where honesty isn't just a virtue, but an integral part of every decision made. Where purpose and accountability aren't mere buzzwords, but guiding principles that shape corporate cultures. Now you might be wondering, what are 3 key concepts from this book, and how can you use them today? Let's dive in. The first key concept from To Be Honest is authentic leadership. This style of leadership is rooted in a leader's core values, promoting honesty and ethical practice. But what does it mean to be an authentic leader? It's about aligning your actions with your values, not just in words, but in your everyday behavior. It's about showing up as you are, without pretense, and leading with integrity. Authentic leaders have a profound impact on their teams and organizations. They enhance trust, which is a crucial element in any successful team. They shape the organizational culture in a positive way, making it a conducive environment for everyone to thrive. So how can you put this concept into practice? Start by admitting when you're unsure and ask for others' input. Show empathy and take the time to get to know your team members personally. Be transparent about your intentions and decision-making processes. By being an authentic leader, you not only create trust but also positively influence your team's culture. Have you witnessed or experienced instances where authenticity and leadership significantly influence the workplace environment? Share your insights and experiences in the comments. The second key concept from To Be Honest is emotional intelligence. This is not just about being aware of your own emotions, but also understanding and responding to the emotions of others. Ron A. Carucci emphasizes the importance of this in leadership, as it enables leaders to build strong, resilient teams and manage challenging situations effectively. But how do you put this into practice? To start, you need to recognize and manage your own emotions. This means not reacting impulsively when something unexpected happens, but rather pausing to assess your feelings and deciding how to respond appropriately. Next, it's important to respond empathetically to the emotions of others. This involves actively listening, showing understanding, and offering support when needed. Finally, when conflicts arise, don't just focus on the facts. Consider the emotional needs of all parties involved. By addressing these needs, you can help to resolve conflicts more effectively and maintain positive relationships. With high emotional intelligence, you can create an inclusive and diverse workplace. The final key concept from To Be Honest is transparency. This isn't just about sharing information. It's about being open and straightforward in all aspects of leadership. When leaders are transparent, they create an environment where trust and mutual respect can flourish. Imagine a workplace where leaders are candid about their plans, decisions, and the reasoning behind them. Employees in such an environment feel included and valued. They trust their leaders because they know exactly what's happening and why. Transparency also means fostering an atmosphere of open feedback. This encourages employees to voice their thoughts and ideas, knowing they'll be heard and valued. Furthermore, leaders must clarify expectations and consequences. This instills a sense of security among employees, knowing what's expected of them and what happens when those expectations are met or missed. Transparency, in essence, is about respect and trust. It's about creating a workplace culture where everyone feels valued, heard, and secure. By being transparent, you foster a culture of trust and mutual respect. So, we've discovered 3 key concepts from To Be Honest: authentic leadership, emotional intelligence, and transparency. Authentic leadership encourages a style that aligns with a leader's core values and fosters honesty and ethical practice. You can strengthen this by admitting uncertainty, showing empathy to team members, and being transparent in your decision-making process. Next, emotional intelligence, which underscores its significance in leadership. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can foster robust teams and manage challenging situations. By recognizing and managing personal emotions, responding empathetically to others, and resolving conflicts by addressing emotional needs, you can create an inclusive and diverse workplace. Finally, transparency in leadership extends beyond mere information sharing. It encompasses openness and straightforwardness, fostering a culture of trust and mutual respect. Share company information, foster open feedback, and clarify expectations to instill trust and security. By applying these concepts, you can cultivate a successful, empathetic, and socially responsible corporate culture. Remember, to be an effective leader, be honest. Ever wish the wisdom of your favorite books could seamlessly translate into your daily life? Jump on board the Idea Express. Each review comes with 3 tailor-made, actionable steps drawn right from the book's core insights. Steps you can instantly infuse into your personal and professional life. Subscribe to Idea Express today and learn something new tomorrow.